Hello students, in this lesson we are learning how to prepare a consignment account. For this, let us take up a simple exercise. B started a business in Indore on 1st April 2018 selling homemade food items. During the first year of trading, B consigned 500 boxes to D in Delhi. The cost price of each box is 120. B paid for the following: transportation charges 300, packing charges 200. D in Delhi sold the entire consignment for 82,000. D remitted the money to B after deducting his expenses 1,500 and commission 1,200. So before we prepare the consignment account, let us analyze this question and answer a few questions. These questions are: the cost price of goods consigned, the sales value of goods consigned, consignor's expenses, consignee's expenses, consignee's commission, and value of unsold inventory. If you are able to gather this information, you can easily calculate consignment profit or loss. Let us see the figures for these questions. Cost price of goods consigned 60,000, sales value 82,000, consignor's expense 500, consignee's expense 1,500, commission 1,200. There is no unsold inventory. So with this information, now we have to prepare a consignment account. So this account has two parts: debit and credit. We debit all expenses and losses like cost price of goods consigned, consignor's expense, consignee's commission. And credit side, the sales value of goods consigned and value of unsold inventory, if any. Now let us see the format. We follow the simple format of consignment account. The simple and the basic rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains, including unsold inventory. Let us start preparing this consignment account. First one is goods sent on consignment, consignor's expense, that is transportation, consignor's expense packing, consignee's expense, consignee's commission, sales 82,000, unsold inventory nil. Now all the entries are over in this account. Now we have to balance the account. Balance is 82,000 on the both the sides. Now if the debit is more than the credit, the difference is loss. If the credit side is more than the debit side, the difference is called profit. Let us see the difference. The difference is 18,800. This is consignment profit. So this is how the consignment account is prepared. Just to summarize, to keep some key points in your mind, you need to debit all expenses and losses, and you need to credit all incomes and gains, including unsold inventory. Once you make all entries in the account, you balance the account. If credit is more, that is profit. If debit is more, that is loss. Thank you.